coordinates now. In the Antarctic.
Antarctica! So exciting! There's no time to waste! Whoa! I'm getting flow ratings over 170 million cubic meters per second!
That is the Antarctic Circumpolar Current. It makes these waters notoriously choppy. This is a region called Antarctic Convergence, where cold Antarctic waters mix with warmer waters from the north. This creates a zone of nutrients supporting phytoplankton, copepods, and krill, which in turn support fish, penguins, and even whales. It's Hana. Isn't she beautiful?
Whoa! Do you hear that? Is that...
That's hot, Vern. Hana has a cat. Magnificent creatures like these are just some of the animals we help protect by monitoring and preserving the ocean's currents and ecosystems. Okay, team, time to head back to base.
Oh, do we have to?
Vern,
Yes, Captain?
you've done a great job today. Permission to drive, granted.
Really? Okay, everyone. Hold on! We're heading through the Mozambique Channel. Hold your... Whoa! It's my friend Rayon! Long time no see! Lots of rays like him call this area home. Well, gotta go. Can't be late. Bye!
Welcome back, team. Hold tight until docking is complete.
Oh, Madonna.
That sheet of ice is called the Arctic Ice Pack. You might think the Arctic and Antarctic are pretty similar, but they're actually opposites in more ways than
Whoa.
one.
You mean polar opposites?
Fern. For one thing, the Arctic is ocean surrounded by land, while the Antarctic is land surrounded by ocean.
Ooh, look at that! Bioluminescent plankton. This deep underwater, bioluminescence is how most creatures communicate.
I'm setting the coordinates for the first stop. Traveling in the hypersphere can be intense, so I'm going to start you with a short
Ah, ma
break.
ci muoviamo anche. Madonna, che figo.
Then we'll continue on our mission to install the booster
C'è profumo.
and track the magnificent animals we've been researching.
Vern the captain, permission to drive?
No, Vern, not after the last time.
Holy sea slugs.
I'll be watching everything from here at the base. Engage hypercurrent to the North Atlantic.
Ooh, this is my favorite part.
Excellent work. You found a basking shark.
Ceterinus maximus, second largest fish in the ocean. Sharks like this one are only able to live this far north thanks to currents like the Gulf Stream bringing warm water up from the tropics. Pretty cool, right? Or warm, I guess.
Okay, time to keep moving. The next leg will bring us all the way to the Caribbean. Ready, Vern?
You bet, Captain. I've even got something special planned. Just a little something I've been working on. Caribbean, here we come! Did you know corals are actually living animals and not plants? Coral reefs provide food and habitat for about 25% of all the world's fishes.
Vern, you're go to dive.
Oh, right.
All you need from Hana's trip. Do you remember Hana?
Of course! Hana was the first humpback whale we ever tagged, but we haven't heard her signal in years.
Okay, team, our mission has changed.